Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Shawna, and today I'll be showing you how I make my Jamaican Calloloo, or spinach as it's better known in some part of the Eastern Caribbean. So stay tuned for this video. So what I did was to put the skillet to heat up, and now I'll be using extra virgin oil, so I add like a tablespoon. I also have over here 1/4 cup red bell pepper, have some garlic, 2 cloves of garlic, half an onion chopped, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, black pepper. I use a pinch, a little Mrs. Dash, and in here I have thyme and a piece of scotch bonnet pepper, just for flavor, so make sure there are no seeds in there. So the only thing missing from up here is the callaloo and the salt. This is a very simple recipe. I do not want to complicate it. This is something that I eat a lot for my breakfast because I love greens and I love callaloo. So the oil is heating up, so what I will do is to saute the seasoning, the ground seasoning, so that the flavors can be extracted. So what I will do now is to start off with the garlic and the onion. I want these to saute first before I add the remaining seasoning to it. Now this has been sauteed for 30 seconds, so I now add the bell peppers, and I will also let this saute for 2 to 3 minutes. You want to saute on low medium heat. The seasoning are now sauteed. Now time to add the callaloo. This is about probably 1.5 pounds for callaloo. So I chop these, and right now it seems like it's a lot, but it will shrink significantly. So what I will do now is to put the lid on probably 2 or 3 minutes so that it generates its own water, because I do not like it too soggy. So I'll put the lid on and then take it off. So the callaloo steamed with the cover on for about 2 to 3 minutes, and now I took it off. So I'm just combining everything, and I'll just add my piece of thyme and a piece of scotch bonnet pepper without the seed. And you want to steam this on low heat. So I'll now add some black pepper, just a pinch of black pepper, not much. A little Mrs. original flavor, Mrs. Dash, probably quarter teaspoon, and top it off with a pinch of salt, not much salt. So I just mix it. So you see there's not a lot of water in there. That's how I want it. I do not want it to be too soggy and swimming in water. So now that everything is combined, I'll pop the lid on, but I'll put it halfway because I do not want it to generate too much water. And if you see water being generated, you need to take the lid off and let it cook without the lid. So I'll let this cook for another 5 to 10 minutes on low heat. So I'm checking in back on my callaloo or spinach, and this is looking lovely, guys. So this is it. It shrunk significantly. That's how callaloo is. If you have a pot full, you'll get only half. This is my breakfast simple callaloo recipe that I normally eat for breakfast. Please try this recipe. This is the Jamaican style. This is how we do it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe below. Stay tuned for my channel to more and more recipes. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for sticking with me from mid-year until now. Please continue to do so. And I know the new year is coming up, resolutions again. You can follow my channel. I'm an example. I lost a lot of weight just by eating clean. You can also do the same. So stay tuned to my channel. See you next time.